I don't know how to explain this. Hold on.
I think it's because it's kind of new as well.
Yeah. This set is nice and tight. It's not gonna fall off.
HHL is also by himself.
My bus leaves in about 30 minutes. So right now I'm walking to BSI bus station. 2 p.m. I arrived here at like 2:45. It is 3 p.m. right now after security. Okay, let's do Gucci guilty. Alright, Gucci. On this.
This is the final call for the last remaining passengers.
This hot dog is a lifesaver.
Please make your way to gate G24.
More quantity, guys. Fernet Branca.
Still couldn't match how we felt. How we felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 Nothing else can compare. On my way, I'll be there. Sunshine like a heavenly oasis. I can feel the love from the family.
Sorry guys, no fermented shark.
My homeland.
Good morning, everybody. So right now, A-Train Travels is on his way to eat fermented shark, which I was supposed to eat last night, but I did not have enough time. But today is a new day. Alright guys, who's ready for fermented Icelandic shark here in Iceland? Oh, they got Icelandic beer tours here too. Liking. They got the snacks. There's the menu. Gastropub. Okay, it is getting very windy. This place also has the Icelandic Journey, which is a 7-course tasting menu that you can start with. Hi, Piggy. Say hello to Junior. All right, let's go inside.
Hi.
Hello. Do you have fermented shark?
We don't have that.
You don't have?
Restaurants don't usually have fermented shark because of the smell.
No fermented shark. Let's try the smoked puffin. Okay, I'm gonna try instead of the fermented shark. I'm gonna try the bird here in Iceland. Okay. You have puffin? Okay.
So you can either order just the puffin here, like a small one or bigger portion, or you can go for like the Icelandic platter. So you can try the puffin, whale, the flaghagen.
Okay, thank you.
Have a seat.
Ay, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again,
Change of plans. No smoked shark. So no fermented shark. We'll be trying the bird today. So here they got the smoked Icelandic platter, 4 small courses. A-Train Travels will get pale ale. No. Let's do Bondi Session. Bondi Session IPA 8.5. And do a taste of the smoked puffin.
Got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time.
Never have I ever said that I could never. All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Red said, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now.
H.N. Charles, first time trying puffin here in Iceland. I don't know how to explain this. Tastes like fish. Hold on. Okay, so this does not taste like a bird. It tastes like a sashimi, or like a whale that I had last night at the other restaurant when I ate. Somebody gave me this dish to try, and they closed my eyes with like a blanket or something, and asked me what it was. I would not be able to tell you that it was a bird. I would probably say it's a fish. It's salty. No, it's really, really good.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing the dream.
The beers here in Iceland are awesome too. Okay, let's do what should we do? Let's do puffin, cheese, chips, 1 onion. That was a nice combination. This is really difficult for me to describe what this is. It's like a raw meat. You got these plains too. This was one of the most interesting dishes I've ever had. The meat is not like cooked, it's not baked, it's not fried. Almost like raw meat. One more bite, guys, of the puffin. This and this go well. I would not be able to say that this is a bird. It tastes like more of like a sashimi fish. Mamma mia.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm a
one more bite. Go big or go home. I thought the beers in Amsterdam were like the best in the world, but in Iceland you got some nice beers. My favorite Icelandic beer was the Icelandic penis ale that I had at the museum the other day. That one was really good. It had like oranges inside, like lemon. I mean, not inside, but it was like it had that citrus taste to it, you know. Viking. Goodbye, puffin. Until today, I had no idea what a puffin was. I've never seen it. I've never eaten it. Same thing with a whale. I mean, I knew what a whale was, but I've never had a whale before in my life. This was cool. Iceland, I will be back again to try your 7-course meal next time. Alright guys, what we got here for the bill? 5,380 kronas. The beer was 1,890, and then the Lungi large. Thank you. Alright guys, checking out. Oh, thank you. Just had my first puffin. So like 3 hours ago, hold up, like 20 minutes ago, before I went inside, it was sunny out. Okay, now it's snowing again. The weather here is so unpredictable. It's like 1 minute it's sunny out, then it's like cloudy, then it's snowing, and then it's sunny again, and then 30 minutes later it's snowing again. Sorry guys, no fermented shark. They told me they didn't serve it because of the smell. But in Iceland, next time when I'm coming to eat fermented shark. Right now I'm gonna go and get a souvenir. I want to buy something very, very warm from Iceland that will cover my feet. I'm gonna go to one of the stores here. They got very nice Icelandic Irish pubs here. Oh, this is the store I want to go to. Which animal is this from?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. Reindeer. Alright guys, done. H&M is buying these socks right now. Very, very soft material. These are a little bit too small.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes please.
Here you go,
Thank
sorry.
you. That's okay. Well, this one's much better. This is more tight around the corner.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
This one's not tight. This is bad.
I think it's like, it's because it's kind of new as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Reykjavik, everybody. Alright guys, so right now H&M wants to go on the Viking ship. And then I gotta, hold on, will I have time to go to a Viking ship? This hat is so much better than the one I had on. This hat is nice and tight. It's not gonna fall off. So there's like 60 miles per hour wind blowing. H&M will still have this hat on. Alright guys, hop to the Viking ship here in Iceland. I'm not leaving here until I see the Viking ship. Alright guys, we're coming up close to the Viking ship, baby. The last time I was here was exactly 9 years ago.
So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me.
9 years later, H&M has arrived. The Viking ship. The last time I was here, I believe, was in September of 2014. It was sunny out. I wasn't wearing no hat, no jacket. I was wearing, I think, my Amsterdam sweatshirt. I was arriving from Amsterdam, and the only reason why I was in Iceland And why I was able to visit this this Viking ship was because my flight got delayed by 12 hours. Here I am, 9 years later, back again. Alright guys, so my bus leaves in about 30 minutes. So right now I'm walking to BSI bus station. And then my flight's at I think 4 o'clock. So when I arrived here, the church that you see right in front, it was dark, I cannot see it. So maybe I'll make a quick stop at the church. It's been years since I went inside the church. Lots of nice artwork here in Iceland. Look at this. Okay, now we can properly see the church. When I first arrived in Iceland, I came across this tree house right here, which is connected right across from the home. If you guys don't know this, Iceland is one of the happiest countries in the world. Heading back out. My next country? I don't know. We'll find out. Goodbye, Iceland. I will see you again. Let's see what the airport in Reykjavik looks like. Check in. Alright guys, just had the quickest check-in here in Iceland. So I left Reykjavik at 2 p.m. I arrived here at like 2:45. It is 3 p.m. right now after security. It literally took me like 5 minutes to get through security. Very, very quick and very efficient. Alright, what we got here? Okay, this is nice. Let's do Versace. Why is it not working? It's empty. That's why it's not working. Okay, let's do Gucci Guilty. Alright, Gucci. Gotta be ready for the airplane. Gotta make first good impressions to the person you're sitting next to. Guys, you will not believe what I just found. Should I get this bottle or this one? This is 1,000 Icelandic for Nebranka. This is about a price, okay? It's a bigger bottle compared to this. Yeah. There's no brainer. 1,000 Icelandic, $8 US, and this one is 50 milliliter. 2.29. More quantity, guys. Fernet Branca. That's my drink right here.
Passengers traveling on pre-flight OG614 to Barcelona. Passenger Gomez Maria. Passenger
Alright, let's Barcelona gates closing.
Gate C28. Gate C28 for boarding as the aircraft is ready for departure and the gate is
Boston's
closing.
boarding. Oslo, Chicago, Amsterdam. Okay, my gate is 15 minutes away.
Which is again C29, C29 as the aircraft is
Alright guys, you got 20 minutes until my gates are closing. I'm very, very hungry. And my flight does not provide any meals. You gotta buy it. Okay, I found hot dogs.
1,760.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, I finally found the hot dogs here in Iceland, man. These things are our lifesavers. It's quick and easy and simple. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. You guys know Bill Clinton? Even Bill Clinton is here. Hot dog's very famous. Very, very, very famous hot dog, guys. Things are amazing. Okay, how we doing time? Pretty good.
May I have your attention, please? Passengers traveling on flight OG201 to Toronto Hamilton. Passenger Leonard Van Winden. Passenger Leonard Van Winden.
Alright guys, I got one more hot dog here in my hands. I had 670 krones left, so I decided to like spend this
May
on
I have
this.
your attention, please? This is the final call for the last remaining passengers traveling with flight OG121 to New York Stewart. Please make your way to gate D26. Gate D26, the aircraft is ready for departure and the gate is closing.
Absolutely amazing. This hot dog is a lifesaver. and they make it in like 5 seconds. It's cheap, it's delicious. At restaurants, you'll be blowing money here in Iceland, but this is my baby right here. 600 krones for one hot dog with everything included.
Have your attention, please. This is the final call, the final departing call for the last remaining passengers on plane flight OG111. Please make your way to gate D24 as the aircraft is ready for departure and the gate is closing.
That's me. Alright guys, so apparently while I was eating my hot dog, you have to go through another security passport control so they could scan your passport or stamp your passport. Where's my gate? Yo. Okay. H&M Travel's gotta take a leak real quick.
Push it, 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 push it. Yeah, I watch sports and not the news. Yeah, couldn't name me Paul cause I'm the truth. Yeah, always find the wins after I lose. Even it way out, you can pick and choose. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee, cause she the only 10 I see. Reps in, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now.
So right now there's a happy hour on Play Airlines and we got 2 beers. Two for 16 euros. And HHL has also got himself ham and cheese. We got margaritas here. We got a bacon sub, and they got the ham and cheese sub too. Play with your food. Interesting. HHL doesn't go with food. I destroy food. Play. Cheese and ham.
Te quiero aquí, nada fancy, just working for a G. Me dice que you ticky ticky tick, girl, date media vuelta, let's see.
I shouldn't be doing this, but this Play Airlines, you know.
Rebota con el 1, 2, 3. Dime cuánto me deseas, te quiero acariciar, acariciar. Dime cuánto me anhelas. Perdóname que sé que te hablo sucio. Sé que tú viste este print y lo quieres, pero mientras me perreas.
Okay, so right now we're flying over Greenland. To get to Greenland is
decían que le encanta esta cancioncita gante. Hasta toda la bella cougar, gringuita white tiger y toda la morenita black panther. Y es que me acostumbré, a veces yo ni sé qué hacer. Gata de otro nivel, pero sé que eso bebe. Lo único que quiere este perro lamer. Dime cuánto me deseas, te quiero acariciar.